Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we are going to create a new vector list group with its modifiers and attributes from scratch. Please open the Modifiers project. Click on the Vector tab. There you see our lake. If you click on it, you will notice that in the Modifier section there is nothing. There is where we have to add our modifiers. If we generate it, it looks like that. We see nothing, there is no lake. There is where our area is being drawn, but there is no visual representation of it. For that, we need to add the necessary modifiers, the ones that conform a lake. Let's start. The first modifier that we are going to add is the outline modifier. Select it in the roll-up. Here we go, and here with the outline we can give a material to our area, and we are going to choose water. Modify it and remember setting. That G here will reset the remember setting in case we need it. Then we add an insert modifier with a cut hole checked. We see also that the height type is dependent from that insert and it was applied automatically. The lake is gonna be like 5 meters below the terrain height. So 265 is the number because if we move the cursors here, we see that the height of the terrain is 272. So now we just need to change the height type to vector height, and it will use the parameter that we just inserted, 265 meters. Now we are going to loft our geometry, like in order to get mapping like with water, we add that geometry modifier that actually comes also with a dependent collision and a dependent mapping modifier. Let's see how it looks like when we generate it. And here we go. Now we are gonna add a border modifier in order to create a transition in the texture between the water and the land. So we are gonna add that one, the bare ground desert. We put it into the border modifier, and if we build it, right now we see nothing because the width is 0, so we need to add a different width, for example 30 meters. And when we build it now we see that transition between water and land. Now we are going to add a new modifier, the contour object placer. That modifier allows us to add geometry that follows the border of our lake in this case, and the geometry we are going to add are going to be like those trees detailed group. So let's see how it looks like. Here we go. You can change some stuff there, like offset, like add some kind of randomness, like variance for the scale, the distance, all that stuff. And that's all for today. See you next time.